In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. First, make sure you're logged into your Beehiiv account, then head over to your main dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll be able to manage everything related to your newsletters, from writing and design to sending and analytics. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the writing icon. This is usually represented by a pen or similar symbol. Click on that, and it will take you into the area where you can create and manage your posts and newsletters. Next, you'll see an option to choose from a template library. Beehiiv provides pre-made templates to help you get started quickly and keep your design consistent. Browse through the available templates and click on one that best matches the style or structure you want for your newsletter. You can change things later, so don't worry about making it perfect at this stage. Once you've selected a template, it will be added to your drafts. Click into that newly added pre-made template to start editing. Here, you can replace the placeholder text with your own content, adjust headings, add images, and tweak the layout. Take your time to align fonts, colors, and sections with your brand. A useful tip is to keep paragraphs short and scannable, and make sure your main call to action is clear and easy to find. When you're happy with the content and styling, look for the next button and click it. This moves you into the sending setup. The first thing you'll do here is pick your audience. Choose which subscribers or segments should receive this newsletter. If you use segments, make sure you're selecting the most relevant group for the topic of this email. After selecting your audience, click Next again. Now you'll add important email details like your subject line and preview text. Your subject line should be clear and enticing, and the preview text should complement it, giving readers a reason to open. Click Next once more to move into the web and SEO settings. Here, add a web thumbnail image for the post, edit the post URL if needed, and set your meta SEO details, such as the headline and description. These help your newsletter look good and be more discoverable when shared or viewed on the web. When that's done, click on Review. This screen lets you double-check everything: content, audience, subject line, and timing. If it all looks good, click on Schedule. You can choose Schedule for later and set a specific date and time, or select Publish Now if you want your newsletter to go out immediately. Once you confirm, your Beehiiv newsletter is officially on its way.